Morning, everyone. We're here in the STEM lab, and I have my daughter Addison with me. And she just had a birthday not too long ago. Addison turned 7. And like every other kid, she blew out her birthday candle. Blow out the birthday candle. What the? Yeah, just like everybody else. But I'm challenging her today to blow out the candle using the funnel. Well, it blows. We can hear it. It moves air. It's got a hole. Addison, try. Can you blow out the birthday candle? What happened? Try it again.
Blow out.
Try it again.
I can't.
You can't do it. We're trying. Oh, you little stinker. The question is why? Why can we not blow out the birthday candle or a candle through a funnel? You can try it at home, but get a parent to help you, okay? We'll see you in the STEM lab.